because we have two teams, Pat and I decided to divvy up the foods, if you will. Okay, so I went with the Kansas City barbecue from a beautiful, small little neighborhood spot called Le Reliefs. It's
Excuse
delicious
me?
barbecue, huh?
Excuse me?
Le Reliefs. It's Italian Kansas City style barbecue.
How how many words is it? Is that
It's
was that
it's
all one word?
it's no, it's it's more like le reliefs. It's it was a French family that moved to Kansas City and they just really adopted the barbecue style.
Actually, yeah,
So
you know what? We might as well just can you just spell it out? I just wanna see what I'm hearing.
it's it's LE le
LE.
and then space, then capital R aura AL PH apostrophe S.
You got this from Ralph's. Wow. Okay. Yeah. I've been there. So this is Ralph's barbecue. Wow. Okay. What kind of barbecue does Ralph have? Did you get it frozen or did you
No. You know they got the pick and grab. So I just went and grabbed I got some
the
ribs. I got
the
some
hot and
ribs.
ready?
Yeah, the hot and ready. I brought them home, but I brought them home, put my little juice on it right there. So I put a little Frank's red hot on there. Okay, because Kansas City style is more vinegar based. It's a little saltier, less sweet. So I put a little Frank's on there, and then